Yo, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Vussy Supreme Traders. It's a boy once again. It's Vussy Magz, man. You know the agenda of the day is always money. So if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe, like the video, click the bell notification icon so you get notified every time the boy makes a drop. And if you're part of the family, which means you're already been subscribed, you're already been watching the content, then welcome back, fam. What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? All right. So listen up. So in today's video, as you can see, this is gonna be more of a vlog, right? Because I wanted to address something to a specific group of people. I mean, I know this video might end up helping like even other people and everyone in generally, but the person I'm speaking to is the person that's using signals, right? So I'm also talking to the few people who are also in my VIP mentorship group, which includes signals. So my thing is, I'm seeing the fact that like a lot of you guys don't know how to use signals, right? I mean, I don't mean how to apply signals. I mean how to use signals, as in like how to manage a trade so you actually make money. You understand? And one thing that's clouding you from doing that is the fact that it's almost like as soon as I sent out a signal or anyone sends, like, okay, let's do it like this. I'm gonna address people only who are in the signal group. You understand? So if you're also using signals, just take what you can from this and whatever, because I don't want to generalize, because now I'm talking to a specific group of people, like I said. So say you're using my signals, right? If I send you a signal, one thing I'm seeing with you guys is like you try to open as many trades, as many positions as your account can like possibly allow you to, right? And that's not how I want you to use signals. So for anyone who's using my signals, like you already know that every time like I sign you up for a membership, or the last time I signed you up for a membership, I asked you how much was in your account so I can tell you how much you should trade with. So the fact that I do that is to prevent you from trading recklessly. If I say use 0.05 lot size, I mean one trade. I don't mean go out there and open as many 0.05 trades as you possibly can, because trust me, the market doesn't move in the same direction. I mean, even if the market is going down or it's in a bullish market, that doesn't mean that it doesn't retrace a little bit to the downside or to the opposite direction of the overall trend or whatever. That's what you're not taking into account. So when you open those many trades, now your account is exposed to so much risk that a slight retracement to the opposite side can wipe your account or can take you to major losses. And at the end of the day, listen, at the end of the day, like for anyone who wants to use my signals, I'm struggling with the lighting, fam. It's the evening right now and I don't think I'm appearing. Yeah, you see now. Alright, we're online now. Alright, fam, so check this out. I want you guys to have an idea of how I want you guys to use my signals. Let me just close the window. Okay, so I want you to have a specific way of using my signals, right? My signals aren't supposed to trigger you from being emotional and all these other things. When you use my signals, I've already analyzed. I've already applied the risk to reward ratio, right? I've already, like, the risk is fine, the profit, which is the reward, is already fine, and the entry is already set. If I tell you it's a market execution, that means you're entering right now. If I tell you it's a buy stop or sell stop or anything like that, you only need to set those parameters and stuff like that. And after that, when you're done, leave. Because isn't it, I'm trading for you? You don't have any other reason to stay there on the market and do all these other things and whatever. Listen, you came to me so I can help you. When I'm helping you, it means all that stress, all the stresses that comes with trading, I'm gonna handle that. I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna deal with that. You don't have to do anything. Just do what I'm telling you. Use the lot size that I'm telling you to use, and then as soon as your trade is up and running, leave it alone. Don't even go to your MetaTrader and do all these other things. the only reason that you do that, you can't stay away from the markets, is because you've opened 15 trades now, right? You've opened 15 trades now, and every time you try to take a nap or you try to sleep or whatever, you wake up sweating, asking yourself like, bruh, you're having nightmares of you blowing accounts. And you know what I'm saying, like, that's the thing. I don't want you to be doing that. If I say, listen, how much is in your account, tell me how much is in your account so I can tell you, use this lot size, and then with that, just open a single trade with you using that lot size. This thing of wanting to make $1 million overnight, that's what's gonna keep taking you backwards. That's what's gonna keep delaying you from growing your account. Listen, please, I'm giving you, like, I feel like I'm giving y'all simple, easy to do instructions, right? Because I'm the one that's sending the signals out, but I'm seeing the mistake that I'm seeing with a lot of people is I send out a signal. Say I sent a USDZAR signal. You know, USDZAR has ridiculous spreads. So if you go out there and open 10 trades, man, and you let them run, the worst thing that you can do is to think all those trades are gonna just go and hit TP same time, because the price fluctuates a lot. Even when there's volatility, you know, the trade that you have there is supposed to be able to withstand every time the market makes a retracement and stuff like that. So that's the message that I want to show, that I want to share with you guys. Like, listen, if you're using my signals, please, let's not fight, you and I. Follow the instructions that I'm telling you to do. If I tell you to use a lot size, use that lot size that I'm telling you to use, and don't like get emotional and do all these other things. Set the trade, forget it, and let it run. Right? So let's check out the quick charts now. Alright, fam, so in today's quick charts, the first thing that we're gonna look at is the XAUUSD, which is the gold against the dollar. So with the gold, what I want you to look at, right, what I want you guys to look at is with this support, the resistance zone here, right? And then we have this trend line. So just to highlight real quick, this trend line comes all the way from the 17th of August, right? It's a downtrend. It's a trend line that was showing that, listen, we're in a downtrend, basically, right? So we had this breakout that we had here, and the price was supposed to make a new high, but we failed out, and then the price made a lower high, right? And then the thing is, when it made that lower high, I thought the price was gonna come retest here. As you can see with this candlestick that we had here, we didn't retest. Basically, we did retest, and then we got this candlestick was a bullish sign, but we didn't enter, because I like to see like at least 2 candlesticks after first before I can call it what it is, you understand? So I didn't enter, and then we had this candlestick that broke further below. Now it came back to the reversal line that the price was supposed to break below before we had a breakout on this side. So now that we came below, now I'm thinking the price might retest here, or something might happen, right? So let's go to the H1 so we can explore further into this idea. So now looking at the H1 time frame, you can see now clearly what happened was we did break out, but the price now, it's sort of like retracing. I don't know what's about to happen, but I think it's safe to expect that the price is gonna go up a little bit, but overall I'm willing to sell into this pair after I get a retest of this zone here, right? Because this has been a large psychological area, because the price has been making contact here and also there, you understand? It's not just a zone that we drew out of nothing. It's a zone that's actually important. So unless I get more candlesticks pushing upwards or a flag pattern, any formation that suggests that there's a brief consolidation, that's when I'm gonna look for a breakout and then sell here. So I just want you guys to pay attention to this one and keep your eyes on it, because it's looking like a money chart. Just go to the H1 time frame to look for that consolidation phase or whatever. So when it breaks out, or a retest, so when it breaks out, we can enter. Alright, so let's go to the next pair. The next pair that I'm looking at is the AUDUSD on the H4 time frame. So the AUDUSD has been in a downtrend that we've highlighted since the 27th of August. So this downtrend line, we had a reversal there, in the reversal line which we broke, and then we made new lows, and then we had a new reversal line also which we broke, but we didn't go make a new low. We came back. We basically struggled at support, right? I'm gonna draw it now like this, right? So now my thing is, we broke above the resistance zone, and then this looks like a retest to me. Looks like a retest, but before I can buy, I want to see a bit more momentum than this. I was ready to buy in the, I think it was the 5 o'clock candlestick. It was looking very bullish, but then I was like, no, we gotta wait for a candlestick close, as we do all the time. So now when we went to the candlestick close on the H1, you can see that this candlestick, I think it was this candlestick, it was very bullish, and then it closed bearish again. And then I was just like, you know what, with the momentum that we have here, I think it closed bullish, but the momentum that we had wasn't sure that there was still a struggle. It's not, you know what, when you open trades, you don't want to feel like you're convincing yourself to open a trade. You need to go for the trades where it doesn't make sense for you to not open a trade, which is what I usually go for. So with this one now, we're going to go back to the H4, because until I see a candlestick that suggests momentum, that's the only time I'm going to go for this buy that I'm seeing here. But now I got to wait for H4 candlestick close before I can do that. And the last pair that I have for y'all is the USDZAR, right? So I just sent out another signal today. I feel like here there's nothing to see, because I discussed this in yesterday's video. If you haven't seen that, just go check that out. So that's all I got for quick charts. You want to check that out. If you don't have any current trades running, check out the gold and also the AUDUSD pair. Keep tabs on it also, and let me know what you guys are looking at also. I'm interested to know what trades are you currently holding. Are you winning or what, right? So if you like the video, subscribe, comment, and I'm gonna see you guys on the next one. Once again, it's a boy Vussy Magz signing out. All right, peace out.